it's your girl Stacy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the Xcellence family. Also, if you are new guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will know when we upload a new video. Today, as you can tell from the title, I am doing another haul. Just a small haul. I went to Poundland, guys, and Poundland is mostly stuff for a pound, just like America's dollar store, Dollar Tree. Poundland, most things in there are usually for a pound. So because I've moved to a new area, I've decided to check out my Poundland that's closest to me to see what they have on offer. And I got some cute little goodies, cute little accessories, and also got a few food bits. But what I'm going to be showing you guys today is the little bits and pieces and accessories that I got. Also, I went to Next clearance store. Didn't really plan to buy anything, but I ended up getting two stuff in there, so I'll show you guys that as well. So without further rambling on, let's get on with what we've got at Poundland. Poundland is nice for cute little essentials. And the first thing I got it for £2. As I was saying, with Poundland, they have things that are a pound, but then they also have other items in there that are for maybe maximum £5. So just this little trinket box. It's got a little zigzag pattern and some gold flecks. I don't know if you can see it. And it's got a little gold rim, which is quite cute. And it's just a box, a trinket box. Knowing that I like to DIY, there's a few stuff I can do with this, which I think I'm going to change the color on it. Might keep the gold rim, preferably white here, and don't know yet, maybe mirrored. I will see if I can do something different with this, and then I'll put up a DIY for this box. But for now, it's just a little trinket box that you can store bits in, and it's a decent size. So that was £2. I got something that I really like, and it's these plant pots. They are gold with black feet. I got 2 of these. So I'm really liking these. I've got many uses for these in the house, and I'll show you one. This is what it looks like. You remove it. You've got this bit here. If you don't like it black, you can also spray paint it white. And this is the size, which is a decent size for a plant pot. So I've got 2 of those. The next thing I got is, I think I got this for £2. This one is a little trinket. What do you call it? Little trinket tray. Well, they call it a trinket tray here. And it's just like 2 leaves together. And it is gold, as you can see. I love gold. But I think it's really cute. So that's what the back looks like. And you know, you put it on any little table. And you drop your keys, your watch, your little accessories, maybe your ring, wherever you might need to drop something quickly. Then this is nice and cute for it. And that was £3. Yeah, not £2, actually £3, which is not bad. And it's quite heavy as well. So there goes that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, Jada did pick this one up. This cute little xoxo. Which is cute to put on a little desk. Which I think that's where she's going to put it, on her desk. That is cute. Hugs and kisses. Everyone likes xoxo. So this is that. And that's my next thing. I think that's, other than the food items, I think that's my last homeware essential I got from Poundland. And it's about what, 5 items, and they're really cute, really nice essential items. So we've got a little trinket tray on our trinket box. Okay, I got a steal. Now moving on to Next. I got 2 items only from Next. Only 2 items I picked up in the Next clearance store, and it was a steal. I didn't even spend much in there. I went in Next and saw this beautiful, beautiful gold vase. You might call it vase, I say vase. I love the designs on it. It's gorgeous. I'm loving it. And guys, this is the price that I saw on it. However, quick story, when I get to the till to pay for this item, I was willing to pay the £8 for it. It's quite cute, and it's heavy as well, and it's a good size. When I get to the till, there was no barcode on it. Nothing. So the man kept looking up for it. So I said to him, okay, just put in rose gold, and just put rose gold vase. And he tried that and he came up. Guys, guess what? I only paid £1. £1. I'm loving this steal. I only paid £1. It was no longer £8, only £1 I paid for this gorgeous vase here. So only £1 I paid for this. Tell me if that's not a steal. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know. I actually was so happy when I heard the man said £1. I was like, oh wow, okay, I'll have that. I wish they had more. I would have actually gone for more, but it was the only one. So that's what I got from Next Home Clearance Store. And I did get another item, which is an essential, something that I wanted for the downstairs toilet. And it's this. See, it's gold toilet roll holder, because I'm doing a lot of gold in there, and I only got this for £3.50. It went down from £12 to £3.50, and it's nice essential. A toilet roll holder. I want to take off the one that's actually there that comes with the house and replace it with this one, and you'll see a video coming soon of me doing my downstairs toilet, my powder room. And this is what I got from Next bathroom essential. So matte gold effect finish, and that I now have come to the end of my haul. This haul could actually be called a gold haul, because I mean almost everything here is gold, but that was not necessarily planned. It just happened that I end up getting mostly gold stuff, and there's a lot of gold in the stores at this moment. Right now I think a lot of people are doing gold. Anyways guys, I've come to the end of my video, and here you have it. These are from Next, and I have my bits from Poundland. It was nice going into Poundland. I haven't been in Poundland in a while, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your support, your love. Thank you for your comments, your likes. You guys, I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. And if you have not joined the Xcellence family as yet, go ahead guys and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell, and leave me a comment and hit the like button if you enjoy my haul. This is just my small haul. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a lovely day and be blessed.